Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, I'm Hunar and I make videos related to fashion and lifestyle. So today's video is going to be the third edition, I guess, of the makeup and skincare favorites video. It's a video where I basically tell you about all the skincare or makeup or beauty products that I've tried this year and that I've been loving. And I thought Nykaa ki sale bhi aane wali hai, so this would be the perfect time for me to post this. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start with a product that I've been using almost every day these days, which is this Diam Beauty Multi Sticks. It's like a blush stick. I think it's kind of a dupe to nude sticks. I use it on my cheeks and my eyes and it gives off such a beautiful glow. They're very easily blendable and they have such beautiful colors. I mean, I really like a natural dewy glow and these are perfect for that. I have them in two shades. One is this pinkish shade called ILY. Let me swatch it for you. Look how pretty. I'm also wearing this on my cheeks today, by the way. And second is this shade Mon Amour, which I think is supposed to be more of a brownish shade. So the next thing that we have is actually very new territory for me because for the longest time I did not use lip liners. But I recently saw this lip combo on Instagram and as usual मैं influence हो गई कि इस पे अच्छा लग रहा है तो I think मुझे भी ले लेना चाहिए. So I got these lip liners from Faye Beauty. I actually just bought them off Blinkit and 10 minutes में वो आ गए थे मेरे घर because I was really excited to try the lip combo. And I have used Faye Beauty's lip whip earlier and I love it, so I thought lip liners bhi अच्छे होंगे and they were also very affordable. So I got them in two shades. One is this shade called Headline, which is more of a pinkish shade. This is the not exactly very pink but मेरे lips पे मतलब lip color ही आता है. And next is this very dark brown shade called Borderline. Look at it. The best part about these lip liners is they're so buildable and creamy, especially for someone like me who's a beginner और उसको ये lip liner वगैरह इतना आता नहीं है लगाना. They're perfect. So I suggest if you're starting out with like lip liners like me, go for Faye Beauty. They're the best and I really think we should start supporting Indian brands. Okay, so speaking of Indian brands, this next product is something I am absolutely in love with. It's these tinted lip balms from Indivild. I'd been hearing about Indivild a lot and I've used their chumpy hair oil and it's so good. And I'd heard कि उनकी जो DLT dewy lip treatment है is one of the best. But the only reason I wasn't buying it was because when it comes to lip balms मैं थोड़ी सी बच्ची जैसी हो जाती तो and it's unscented and not tinted तो I'm like अरे कौन लेगा अच्छा smell भी तो आना चाहिए and all that. But then they came up with these two shades in their tinted lip balm collection, same formula, and it's the best thing I've ever tried. So first shade is called Glazed Jalebi and jalebi is actually one of my favorite sweets. And when you smell it, वो एक चाशनी की जो smell नहीं होती वो चाशनी वाली smell आती है and it feels so comforting. मैं बता नहीं सकती, ऐसा लग रहा है मैं किसी Indian wedding पे आ गई हूँ. So this one doesn't really have a lot of tint, just a bit of glitter to it, so you can pair it with like a lip liner, Faye Beauty lip liners. Next we have the shade Wedding Rose, which is a very beautiful pink shade. It has much more tint than the other one and gives a beautiful natural color to your lips. Both of the lip balms are very hydrating and I think they use something like ghee for the moisturizing effect, but I don't know. अगर आपको lip balm खरीदनी है, go buy Indivild right now. We have another product from an Indian brand that I actually discovered while I was doing research for my job. It's this SOS spray from this brand called Solved Labs. It's actually supposed to be a dupe of the Tower 28 SOS spray and I haven't really tried that one, but I've heard it's more or less the same. It has hyaluronic acid which helps in hydration and also repairs your skin barrier. हाँ, मुझे ये सब टर्म्स आते हैं क्योंकि मैंने एक स्किन केयर कंपनी में काम किया है, तो मुझे ये सब पता है। बट एनीवे, दिस स्प्रे रियली हेल्प्स विद लाइक रेडनेस एंड इन्फ्लेमेशन जो हो जाती है, या फिर छोटे छोटे एक्ने स्पॉट्स नहीं हो जाते जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं, सो दिस रियली हेल्प्स विद दैट। आई यूजुअली यूज इट एज लाइक माई फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ माई मॉर्निंग स्किन केयर रूटीन, एंड उससे फेस पूरा डूई एंड ग्लोई हो जाता है, सो आई लव इट फॉर दैट। द ओनली ड्रॉबैक ऑफ दिस आई वुड से इज कि when you spray it on your face, इसका स्मेल बहुत ना केमिकली है, you get what I mean, but उसके अलावा it's a really good product. Next up we have this strawberry tinted sunscreen from Dot and Key, and I recently discovered this sunscreen क्योंकि I wanted something which gives me some coverage for everyday wear, and it's perfect क्योंकि मुझसे ना फाउंडेशंस और इवन tinted moisturizers आजकल मुझे अपने फेस पे बहुत हैवी लग रहे थे, so I decided to try this out, and it's a really good product. I just use it with my hands only, जैसे normal sunscreen को blend करते हैं, and it gives like this light amount of coverage to your face, which is exactly what I needed. It also gives a slight glow to my face, which आपको तो पता ही है, जो मुझे ग्लो करने के लिए दे दे मैं तो सारे प्रोडक्ट्स ले लूँ जिस पे ग्लो लिखा हो, so this is perfect for that. I use it almost every day when I go out, or even for some of my casual wale shoots, and it's also very pocket friendly. I think it's for 550 rupees, so this is a really good product for someone who does not like doing a lot of makeup on an everyday basis. So for the longest time I'd been using the same moisturizer, बट लास्ट ईयर मेरी स्किन ना थोड़ी ड्राई होने लग गई थी, तो आई डिसाइडेड टू फाइंड अ न्यू वन, एंड आई बॉट दिस मॉइस्चराइजिंग इमल्शन फ्रॉम द फेस शॉप. It's a Korean brand, and you know how good Korean brands are at doing skincare, and this one didn't disappoint at all. It is so moisturizing, perfect for the dry skin girlies, and it also has a slight fragrance which feels very soothing for some reason. Also, it has rice and ceramides, which are really good for your skin. The next product that I have is perfect for lazy girls like me. It is this Dove Shower Mousse, which has coconut oil. So you basically just like spray thoda sa on your hand, and it's like a mousse form, and you just put it on your body, and you can use it like a shower gel, and इतनी जल्दी ऐसे आराम से काम हो जाता है ना. But this was so difficult to find. I tried one bottle once randomly, and I loved it, तो I thought कि अब यही फिर से stock up करूँगी, but it was so difficult to find. हर जगह out of stock. I finally found 2 bottles of these on Tira, and I ordered it immediately. They have 2 more fragrances in this. I think one is with almond oil and one is with rose something. The one I'm using is with coconut oil, and it also has a slight fragrance. Also, it helps a lot when you're shaving. मतलब मुझे तो आता नहीं है, but the people who can do it, it's really good for them. The next product that we have is also from Dove. It's this exfoliating body polish in pomegranate seeds and shea butter. Bro, it smells like heaven. This is my second bottle. The first one was in the flavor brown sugar or something, but I definitely prefer this. So मेरा ना थोड़ा सा वो bumpy skin नहीं होता जो वो होता था, so I googled it, and everyone recommended a exfoliator, so I decided to try this one out, and it's done wonders for my skin. My skin has gotten so much smoother, and वो bumps भी जो थे वो चले गए हैं. I use it like once or twice a week. Also, you know how some exfoliators have that rough sa texture? This does not at all. It's very soft. I had no clue कि Dove के इतने अच्छे products हैं. ऐसे ही उनको बेचारे को कोई value ही नहीं करता यार. This product that I'm gonna talk about now is literally for me magic in a bottle. मतलब I'm someone who's been struggling with my hair since forever. अभी भी कर ही रही हूँ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But one huge problem that I had was having very dry and rough hair. So I decided to use this all-in-one multi-benefit treatment spray from Redken, and it's so amazing. Matlab, I just spray it on my damp hair as soon as I come out of the shower, and as soon as I spray it, I can feel my hair getting softer in the same second. And not only that, it also gives your hair a shine, और उसके ऊपर से हीट प्रोटेक्टर भी है ये, एंड एक बहुत ही स्लाइट स्मेल भी है इसमें, एंड इट्स जस्ट परफेक्ट फॉर योर हेयर. हाँ, I will admit कि it's a bit expensive. I think it's for 1800 rupees, which is very expensive. But if you're someone who really struggles with their hair, especially dry hair, go for this. It's magical. So we're almost at the end of our video. Next we have this Foxtail Skin Radiance Mask. This is literally my third jar bottle, Jovi. It is basically a Uptan mask but in this gorgeous purple color, and as soon as you wash it off it gives you such an amazing glow. मतलब पूरी ऐसा लगता है स्किन की सारी जो डर्ट थी वो क्लियर हो गई है और बहुत ही ऐसे साफ सा फील होता है and also has a very good glow. I use it like once a week if you want that radiant skin wala look, and also it's not very expensive. I think 400 500 ka hai, but it's a really good mask. Lastly we have this Romance tint which in the shade Fig. It is a very natural pink color and when I apply it on my lips it almost looks like कि lips का ही color है. It has a very thin and watery consistency. I've never really used it on my on my cheeks, but on my lips I use it almost every day. It also has a very nice smell. तो अगर आपको कोई natural looking everyday wear tint चाहिए, so this is perfect for that. I think it retails for around 8.99, but it's again a Korean brand, so a very good brand. So do try it out. And that was the end of the video. I hope you liked it. जो भी आपको पसंद आया, जो आपको प्रोडक्ट लगा कि मुझे सूट कर सकता है, तो अभी जाके नायका की सेल से ले लो क्योंकि सस्ते में मिलेगा. And that's all for the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and also comment on my YouTube channel for more such content. Follow me on Insta at Hona26. Till next time, bye bye.